Hey, what's up everybody? Tom here with CYBERTRUCKco. We're going to show you how to install our mirror delete today. Let's get it done.
Honestly, I was a little skeptical at first that I wouldn't have side mirrors, but having the display here allows me to really just not even worry that I don't have those side mirrors. I really do like the visibility out of the A-pillars for sure. It's just, makes it a little bit more sleek and fitting for the shape of the actual truck. I really do like how aesthetically pleasing this is. Um, yeah, I mean, it's overall super sleek and awesome. I love it. I will have to say, though, check with your local or state law what requires you to have on your vehicle. But if you're off-roading, I don't think there's going to be an issue, which we plan on doing with this truck.
Alright, so what tools will you need to install the CYBERTRUCKco mirror delete? You just need a Torx 40 bit right here and a ratchet in order to take off and put on the bolts, and a recommended small screwdriver like a eyeglasses screwdriver or something like that would work just fine. But just in case the little red tab on the electrical is a little bit sticky or it's hard to get to pop up, this is going to help you a lot. It's very simple, straightforward. Honestly, for being a Cybertruck, it's impressive just how simple these are. So obviously, first thing you're going to do is you're going to open the door, and then you want to roll down the window so you have more access here. You're not going to break anything. So see this little rubber thing here? It's pretty loose right now. You're just going to reach all the way in, and you're going to feel around until you can pull it back. It literally just snaps right off because we've got these little snap-in grommets here. Alright? You're also going to come down here. There's going to be a plate on the inside of the door here, right underneath the first little arm. You're going to pop it out, pull it out carefully, and this is your wiring harness for the mirror. There's going to be a red tab. You can either use your fingers, or if it's stuck, you can use a tiny little screwdriver here. You're just going to pop it up. It doesn't come off, it just pops up. Just like that. Just a little bit. And then you're going to lift this little tab underneath here. Just a little bit. And then pull up. And that pulls the harness up. You're going to stick the harness back in there. Now you need to remove these 3 bolts all up here. Jesus. You're going to reuse these bolts when you install the mirror delete. You want to hold this as you remove the final bolt. You kind of want to remove the bottom bolt last. Gently lift the mirror out. Careful of the wiring that you don't catch it on anything. There you go. Mirror is out. So here it is, our CYBERTRUCKco mirror delete plate. It only requires 2 of the 3 bolts that we just removed. It's very simple. You just place it right in where the mirror went. No extra hardware is required here. Simply take your star bit, insert the bolt. It's a good idea to get both bolts just loosely in there so that you can get it centered. So you're gonna get them loosely snugged up here. Just enough. And then you want to make sure this is positioned where you want it so it looks good. Hand tighten both of them down. And it doesn't even require very much torque here. Just enough to make sure it's not going to fall out. There you go. Nice and snug. Put your weather seal back. Make sure to get all the dimples in the correct spots. Just like that. And voila! One mirror delete installed.